Hi and welcome to another Instrument Choice support video. In this video we'll show you what comes in the box with the CME5 Concrete Moisture Encounter. The Concrete Moisture Encounter detects and evaluates the moisture conditions in the slab or screed by non-destructively measuring the electrical impedance. The meter features a clear, easy to read analog dial, takes instant and accurate readings to a depth of approximately 20mm, has a hold function, it is Bluetooth enabled with the accompanying free Trimax app. The spring-loaded contact pins compensate for uneven concrete and boost signal penetration, and 3 measurement scales. These are moisture content for concrete, comparative for gypsum floor screed, and a 0 to 100 reference scale. In the box there's some paperwork, including a quick start guide. This guide has all the information needed to set up the meter and start taking basic measurements. If required, there's a QR code and link on the back. This is to direct you to the full user manual online. A calibration certificate, a protective carry case with a handle and wrist strap, and the CME5 Concrete Moisture Encounter. The meter features a large analog dial with 3 straightforward scales. The top red scale is for moisture content for concrete from 0 to 6%. The middle scale is a comparative scale for gypsum floor screed from 0 to 10. And the bottom is a reference scale from 0 to 100. There's the hold button. This freezes the meter reading. This function is helpful when inspecting areas where the meter face is not visible and for easy recording of data. There's 3 LEDs. These are a Bluetooth indicator, a hold indicator, and the power indicator. The power button, and the Bluetooth button. The sides of the meter are ridged for improved grip. On the back of the unit are the spring-loaded electrodes. And the battery compartment with pre-installed batteries. And that's what's in the box and the features of the CME5 Concrete Moisture Encounter. For more information on this meter, including videos demonstrating how to measure concrete moisture and how to use the Bluetooth function, or to speak with an Instrument Choice scientist about this meter, see the links in the video description. We hope that you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.